I'm gonna make a video today of this, which is a customer's mower I put a new engine on. The Murray 20 horse 3.5 classic, but this is a Boland's deck with the diaphragm carburetor style primer. And I want to do a cold start on it today, and it's cold. And over here was the engine that used to be on it. Part of my motor has a bar stool there. It still needs some work on that. But this is the engine that was on it. The Boland's engine. But the problem with it was this one ran fine, but there where the carburetor mounts was busted, so oh well. So I just had a spare one laying around. And this one actually works pretty good. I just did an oil change on it a couple weeks ago. And it's going to start raining on me, so I'll make this video quick. I always prime it more than 3 times. Now I gotta figure out how I want to do this. Hold the camera and start it. Hold on a second. It should start up real easy. The exhaust is smoking because it's got some water on it, but first pull all the time. Now I go through and cold start this over here too, which I don't know why it's upside down, but it's got any gas left in it. Well, see, cold start today. Alright, maybe good video. Anyway, take the cap off, put some gas in there, mix 35 to 1, which is 41, but my lawn boys take. Alright, choke it, give it prime. And this is a Boland's VL100 17-inch cut, 31cc. Curve shaft. I don't have any string. Let me see here. I have to set up some sort of filming here. Show. Because this one takes 2 hands to start. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. Let's see. This is going to take more than 1 pull to start. Some more prime. Put it on half choke. Killed it. So that started up pretty easy. I don't have anything else to start. Shouldn't be revving that when it's cold, but can't go hard at that bad. You can look over here. Well, I don't have anything besides this. It's not even mine. All my riders and stuff are other places, but that's not what it runs. So right now, that's it. That's all I got for you. But more videos to come soon.